Hey guys, Fayon here, and today I'm going through the squat to sit transition into the floor. So the squat to sit is a transitional movement which takes you from the squat position into the floor. It's really good for linking low gait movement into floor work. Today I'm going to go through some tips and cues on how to introduce this into your practice. Let's go. The first step is to get used to transferring your weight from a deep squat position to a supporting hand reaching backwards behind you. Place one hand behind and to the side of you, and then using that hand, push through the ground and use it to transfer your weight from your feet to your hand. Two things are really important to keep of note here. I keep my hips low, and then I also twist through my torso, and this causes me to twist through my knees as well. The rotation is really important. Start getting used to using your hand as a support and feeling the weight shift from your feet to your hand and then back again. Try and make it feel as smooth as possible. When you place your hands down, make sure that your fingers are pointing forwards. The next step is the squat to sit transition. This is the same idea as before, except that you end up sitting down with your legs outstretched in front of you before coming up again. Shift back onto the hand, sit down, rotate around, place the other hand on the ground, push through, and then back up into the squat position. As you go back, remember to rotate through your hips, and then you will find your hand naturally going to the ground to help push you up. This is where the rotation will really start to make sense. If you simply put your hand down and shift your weight back and just sit down, it will end up being quite heavy. The magic is in the rotation. This is what helps you shift your weight around. It makes it a lot easier to go down and then to get back up again. The final step is the squat to lie. This is the same movement as before, except that you roll all the way back so that you're lying down flat on your back and then rotating and twisting back around to get back up again. You can see here, I do the sit to squat, I lie all the way down, rotate, keeping my elbows tucked, I then extend the arm, push through that arm and then back up again. This movement is really useful because it helps you transition from the squat movement into more floor-based movement patterns. That's it guys, that's all for today. With that movement you can start introducing floor work into your practice, which is a whole nother area of locomotion. Remember, if you have any questions, just shoot me a message, I'm here to help. Thanks guys. One more thing guys, if you're after some more tips, guides, and conversations about movement, check out thepassivehang.com.